welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today I keep hearing that there's a fragrance in these streets that smells like my Chanel Allure Sport. So I had to give it a good investigation. All right, we're not going to take too much long. We'll get straight into this. I'm going to go ahead and... unsheathe this thing. Box 0, Brandon 1. Actually, that's the cellophane. Let me go ahead and unbox this. I definitely screwed that up. We're going to unbox this. Okay, well, I guess it's box 1, Brandon 0. All right, let's go. Not waste too much time. It's nestled away in there. Not bad packaging. I have no idea what this smells like. I just kept, a lot of, I got a lot of comments about this. This is some serious glass. So a lot of times what they'll do to make you feel like you're getting a premium experience out of it, they'll add like a ton of glass. Weighted cap. Oh, this cap is magnetic. 10 points for Gryffindor. This cap is magnetic. That's awesome. Wow. I mean, okay. But anyway, yeah, so this is a very heavy bottle. We're not gonna waste too much time. We're gonna go ahead and get this right on the back of the wrist. Oh, okay. Very linear atomizer. Not a whole lot as far as what's going on distribution-wise. That about packs this up. We gotta go ahead and move on to the, yo. This smells exactly like Chanel's Allure. Now, which one? I'd have to dive in. This isn't Super Leggera. That's still the king, all right? But I'd be very curious to see how it develops over time. Whoa, oh, hold on. There's been a development. Hold on. Okay. So I would say this is like 90%. 90%. I got to get these side by side. I got to do side by side here. Couple things, right? I mean, I've done extensive videos on Super Leggera, Homme Sport, Extreme, the Toilette. This is definitely in that vein. Like, there's no question about it. I mean, there's no way around it. I see why people say, just get this. I think this was like 30 bucks. I mean, how much is in here? Oh, wow, this is made in Italy. Orale Napoli! This is 100 ml. So, oh, no wonder it's such a... Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay, what I will say is, and I got to do it side by side, but this is a little bit more harsh than Chanel's, all of the Chanel's. It does have that tonka bean, aromatic, shower aspect to it. I would say this has a little bit more, like there's a stringent brightness in this. I think anybody buy this, they'd be happy with it. Let's get that out the way. You'd be happy with this. But there is a certain polish that the Chanel fragrance has that this is missing. Man, I cannot drop this. My car will probably flip over. This thing is heavy. But yeah, I got to do a side by side. Overall, I'm very impressed. And I can see why people say, just get this. But there's a lot that goes into it. Personally, I was not super, I'm gonna do this again, but I was not super impressed with the atomizer. And distribution is important. That was a little better. That was a little better. Sheesh. Yeah, this has a real sour nature to it. I would say it's 90%. And there's also like a medicinal aspect to it. Like a, I didn't mean medicinal. I meant like menthol. Like there's like a Yeah. Yeah, overall, the Chanel is better. I mean, there's no question about it. This has an astringent nature. There's nothing astringent about any of the Chanels. Those are worldly fragrances. This is not bad. But if it were me personally, I would spring for the Chanel. Personally. But if somebody was like, I'll just get this instead. I don't need 3 of those. I'll just get 1 of these. Or maybe Superleggera and this. I'd be like, to me, this is probably, because of the brightness in this, I could see this would probably be that, like, the stopgap between Superleggera and the other ones, because it does have like a bright citrus nature to it that let's see. I'm sorry, I'm usually more prepared than this, but I didn't think that this was gonna be. Yeah, this is $31. So this came out in 2020. It's fairly recent. Aromatic, citrus, marine, fresh spice, lavender, woody, floral, fresh, and earthy, salty, all in one take. Welcome to the InScentive Collection. Let's jump back into this. You got, in the top notes, C notes, citruses. This thing's loading slow. And Sicilian, mandarin. And in the middle notes, you have lavender, clary sage, rosemary, Egyptian, pelargonium. And in the base notes, you have vanilla orchid, Haitian vetiver, patchouli, and oak moss. Yeah, yeah. I would say 85%. I would say 85, 87%. Somewhere in there. As it develops, it is changing. The Chanel DNA is locked. Like that, when you spray that, what you get is what you get. It does not change. This is changing. Not necessarily to be better, but I think it's coming together. Whereas that Chanel is like, it's like a rocket. It comes out and it's ready to do what it needs to do. So those are my thoughts, my initial impressions. If you guys would like to see maybe a side-by-side of all 3 of these between this, because I have the Superleggera, I have the Homme Sport, and then I have the original Homme Sport. Yeah, I have the Homme Sport Extreme, and then I have the original Homme Sport. If you'd like to see all 4 of those together, see where this ranks in those, that'd be a fun video to do. Let me know. Yeah, but yeah, I don't. Yeah, I like, this is a little. At no point in ever smelling those fragrances did I get a astringent nature to them. This is a little astringent, and I think that's just because, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure if this is true or not, but I think it's just cheaper materials. Because that's what this is giving me. It's giving me like a cheaper. But one thing's for sure, the glass and cap, yeah, top notch. I also like the gradient. I love gradients in bottles. This is one of my favorite things. Yeah, so that's it. Those are my thoughts, my initial impressions. Let me know, what do you think? Welcome back. Plenty of things on the channel. Check them out. I appreciate you guys. We just crossed 1,000 subscribers. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. There's a thank you video already, but I'm just so grateful and I appreciate you guys so much. Every comment, I read all, I respond to all. I will catch you in the next one. Thing I know for sure, YouTube is making some excellent recommendations to you right now. Check them out. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.